What's going on, guys? For today's video, we have a Supreme Week 16 live cop. Thank you guys so much for smashing the like button on the last live cop, and we are going to deliver another live cop today. If you want to see another live cop next week, make sure you hit the like button. Let's get this video to 20 likes as well, and I'll be giving you guys a week 17 live cop. So for this week, I'm running actually really late, but we're still going to do it. This is probably one of my favorite weeks of the entire season, and that's only because after multiple cancellations and delays, we are finally getting the Supreme stapler. If I don't get the stapler, I'm going to be like big upset, because this is one of my like main items that I wanted for like basically the last, I want to say we got that leak about like a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years we got that leak, but then it got delayed. Then it said it was never coming out, but we are finally getting it now. You know, I actually got to quit talking and get this screen recording going, because it's about to be the drop. So let's get the screen recording going and go. We got the screen recording going. I gotta actually turn my laptop a little bit because, you know, every Thursday we're in rushes here, so we gotta save the editing process as much as we can. I'm gonna be loading in on new, even though you guys always tell me not to. I think there's like quite a bit of things dropping this week, so it probably wouldn't be in my best interest, you know. Actually, you know, you guys always say it. So let's load in on the accessories and let's get this stapler. Okay, we actually loaded in pretty fast. Oh, now we're lagging. $28. Great price. Come on, I think it sold out in like 8 seconds. Oh, dude, honestly, I can't even lie to you guys right now. I'm shaking over a stapler. Are you kidding me? No way. What in the world was that? No way. What was that, like 5 seconds? What, did people think this was a box logo?
That hat loaded and sold out.
It might have.
No, it did, in every color.
Are you kidding me? Now I'm gonna have to spend like $100 on resale for a stapler. Are you kidding? I did not see that coming. We were actually gonna go for the hat as well, but Ashley just said that it loaded and sold out. What? Oh man, I am like unbelievably bummed right now. The mobile bot also didn't work, but there's really no point in using the mobile bot. But I tried. I'm waiting to get my 40 bucks back and let this bot hit, but it's never gonna hit. I cannot believe that. Alright, I never really do this with this live cops anymore, but we're actually going to go on over to StockX and see if, oh, is it not even on here? Supreme Swingline Stapler, $75. Last sale, $76. Number of sales, 5. Honestly, I don't know what to say. I'm so bummed. I was so hyped for this week, just to be let down like that. Alright, that gives me like zero faith for when the plastic bags come out, because that's like the last thing that I want this season, like mandatory that I want. So that was only gonna end up being about like $40 shipped. So I mean 70, but then you got like the $15 StockX shipping fee. Then you got like the $10 in tax. Then you got the $10 in the processing fee. This stapler is about $76, but on StockX you're probably gonna end up paying about $250 after all the fees and all that stuff. So I'm probably gonna try to find this actually right after I end the video, because I am like big upset about this. This might have made its way to the worst live cop on the channel. I was not expecting that at all. Super bummed out about that, even though I said that like 70 times already. I can't get over that. It like is a stapler. I didn't think anyone was really gonna want it like that. Usually in the comments, everyone's roasting me for wanting all these stupid accessories. This is as stupid as it gets, and it's sold out. And the We Wanted to Be Known as Supreme towel sold out. Oh, not in black, but all the other colorways. I was actually gonna try to get that, but now that I'm so bummed, I don't even care. Super L on the stapler. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are able to pick up that stapler. I literally can't believe this. Like on the stapler, like did they think this was a box logo or something? This literally sold out faster than the small box hoodie last week that we took an L on as well. I am big upset, big hurt at this. I will be looking basically all day to pick this stapler up. Hopefully someone has a good price. I'm gonna try to upload this video as fast as I can. If you are selling it by the time it uploads, hit me on Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram. I will put it on screen and in the description down below. DM me on Instagram if you are selling it, and I am very interested. So I have no idea how, but I completely forgot to talk about mine and Joey's video. I was probably way too tired, and actually not video, but giveaway we are doing. So I mentioned in the last video, I think at the beginning of the week, that me and Joey will be doing a giveaway. It is now officially live by the time you are watching this. It's only going to be for 1 week, and it is an Instagram giveaway. This is not my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, because I'm not there yet. This is just a random Instagram giveaway me and Joey wanted to do. It's just a couple small things, but since it is our first giveaway, we just wanted to start off kind of small to see if anyone's even interested in us doing giveaways. So if that is something you're into, we are giving away a bunch of free Supreme accessories, like small free gifts, things like that. So make sure you follow me on Instagram and head on over to Joey's Instagram. The post will be on our Instagram by the time you are watching this, so head on over there if you are interested. But let's get back to the video. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button. Let's get this video to 20 likes. And if we do, I'll be giving you guys a week 17 live cop. I still can't even believe this. Like I said, get this to 20 likes and we'll be doing a week 17 live cop. And while you're hitting the like button, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.